is repository of the civil documents affecting civil status of a person. Pananglit, kanang birth certificate, death certificate, o marriage certificate, uban pa mga registrable documents. We are pinagkata sa gobyerno ay pinagkatan remedies, hindi mga sayong na mga papeles natay court order, Republic Act 1948, correction of entries in the birth certificates and other crime, Republic Act 10172, correction of sex and date of birth and date of month of birth. Nasa legitimation sa mga bata na wala pa ma-legitimize o Republic Act 19255 ang authority to use the surname of the father. Muna to yung serbisyo sa opisina. Thank you and good morning.